Welcome to News 9. I'm Nolan Pinto. Now the mayor is all set to go to the Philippines to see how that country is managing its waste problems. Now the mayor will be heading to Manila in the next 2 weeks. Now Bengaluru in charge Minister Ramlinga Reddy has given the green signal for the mayor's travel. However, it is yet to be seen whether the Manila model will suit Bengaluru. The mayor had earlier carried out video conferencing with companies from Spain and Dubai. However, the question is, why is the cash-strapped BBMP spending money on a foreign tour that has no guarantee of helping the city? Well, for more on this, I'm joined in by my colleague Arun. Arun, is Philippines an expert in managing its waste?
Nolan, at this point of time, we have very basic information. We are given to believe that actually these people from a Filipino company had come down and made a presentation to the senior officials of the BBMP, and it included the commissioner of BBMP, Lakshmi Narayana. What we are given to believe is that they seem to have extended an invitation to the mayor and the special commissioner. Remember, we now also have a special commissioner, one Mr. Darpan Jain, who is in charge of solid waste management. Both of them have been apparently invited by this Filipino company to come and have a look for themselves on the issue of solid waste management and the methods of disposing it in a very scientific and an environmentally acceptable manner. But as you rightly pointed out, questions being raised about this particular trip being undertaken by the mayor. One possible school of thought is that perhaps the entire trip, the bill is being footed by the Filipino company. That's an assumption though. But even then, for a cash-strapped entity like the BBMP, which has been ticked off not just by the Chief Minister but even by the High Court, this seems to be a kind of a brazen defiance. It seems to be showing that come what may, as far as our time for perhaps these kind of study tours is concerned, they take precedence over the issue of the requirements or the problems of the people of Namma Bengaluru, Nolan.
Now, if the special commissioner in charge of solid waste management was going, that is something. But the mayor going there really makes no sense.
Nolan, it is but obvious. There are certain unwritten or unsaid rules and regulations. A Babu can only do what the political bosses will decide. So it is but imperative that the Babu and the political boss will decide to have a trip, and that's how it has been worked out. So clearly, that is the reason why perhaps they decided that the special commissioner in charge for solid waste management will have to accompany or will be accompanied by the mayor. But clearly a case where it appears problems may be, commonsensical problems may be available at home, but we are perhaps looking for some kind of specialized inputs that we need to come our way. Also remember, at this point of time, there is some kind of a skeletal network available as far as waste disposal is concerned. It's been kind of privatized. There is some participation of a private company. There is collection of waste which happens. Perhaps the only thing that needs to be done is segregation and then scientifically dispose of the waste, for which one view is that it's not rocket science. It can be done. There's enough newsprint and airtime which has been spent discussing and debating about the garbage that this beautiful city is able to generate on a daily basis. But it now looks like a case where, unfortunately enough, our knowledge and perhaps information is pre-independence or perhaps even prehistoric, and therefore it needs to be updated through a compulsory and a much-needed trip abroad, Nolan.
Right, Arun, I'm going to place you on hold for a moment. In fact, the mayor has spoken about this particular trip. Let's listen into that.
Philippine ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು, ಅವರೊಂದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಫಿಲಿಪೈನ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಈ ಥರ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಗಾರ್ಬೇಜ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ 7 ಟನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 70 ಟನ್ಗೆ. 7 ಟನ್ ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಂತೆ. 7 ಟನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ವಾರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಒಂದು ವಾರ್ಡ್ಗೂ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಬಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅವರು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಿಡ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕೆಲವು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವರಿಂದನೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅವರು. ಅದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ದರ್ಪಣ್ ಜೈನವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂಡಲೇ ನಾವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬರದೇ ಇರೋ ಬೇಡ, ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ, ನೀವು ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
Well, you heard what the mayor of the BBMP of the Palike had to say over there. Now, Arun, coming back to you, now it's very surprising because you have IISc over here, or Tata Institute. They have come out with so many models of how to dispose of solid waste and also convert it into energy. But here you see, we still want something which is foreign.
Nolan, this is an era of globalization. Technology may not be available locally. And so, in a tongue-in-cheek remark, we can say that we need to get information, technology, everything from overseas and solve the local problem. And therefore, this trip is imperative, or it is a mandatory trip. And that's the reason why these people are on their way out. So clearly, at this point of time, the foreign trip takes more importance, more precedence. Remember, there have been several such trips which our elected representatives have taken. There was one trip where people, elected body of people, decided to wing their way abroad to look at how even zoos are managed abroad, etc. So this seems to be on the scale of frivolity. This seems to be slightly higher because one doesn't need technology or information about zoo management, but perhaps waste management could be. But again, it depends on what comes out of it, whether there is going to be some kind of a tangible benefit, or you and I, we're going to see the same piling up of garbage on the streets of Bengaluru, whether that will continue post December 1, because remember, that is the deadline for us, after which we are not supposed to be disposing of garbage in Mandur. So clearly, a lot of issues at this point of time, and this adds a very humorous twist to the ongoing debate about garbage management as far as the Silicon City is concerned, Nolan.
Now, it's again interesting, Arun, because even the Philippines have not been able to manage their garbage or waste disposal properly. I really do not know why the BBMP mayor wants to go there and learn from them.
That is perhaps the best way to answer it is to say that the invitation came from a Filipino company. So Philippines is perhaps the way forward. And remember, as you rightly pointed out, the quantum of garbage we generate on a daily basis, close to about 5,000 tons, is not a small number. And clearly that would require some amount of serious thinking, not a foreign junket. One doesn't know at this point of time whether it is at taxpayers, at the exchequers, on behalf of the exchequer, or is it being footed by the private company? In which case, the other question is, what is it that the private company wants in return? So there are a lot of loose ends and unsolved questions or unanswered questions at this point of time, Nolan.
Right, Arun, thank you very much for all those details.